Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, we're looking at the US 100 on the daily. There's a few things about this, right? We've got this orange zone here I've marked up. That's the high and low of this green candle. Distribution level, key level of resistance, if you want to call it that. We also have this price gap, this other colored shaded rectangle. What I've done is I've picked up the candle, this candle here, we're looking at the candle left, the low, and the candle right, the high price gap. And if you're a Fibonacci trader, we grab our fib from high to low, kind of makes sense. We get a retrace back 38.2 up to the 68.1 through this zone. That's what I'm interested in, potential pullback. Why do I say that? Well, we've got this unresolved imbalance, this price gap for one thing. The market's going to look to rebalance. Where is there liquidity resting above this leg to the downside here, this whole movement? So we've got stop losses sitting above all through here, buy side liquidity. Now it's just ripe for the picking for smart money to push this back up into liquidity before another leg down. Now that's what I'm seeing here. The other thing that we've got here is this previous daily low. What's resting under here? Sell side liquidity. This thing moves down, taps right into it. That's enough to well, potentially to push it back up. So there's a bunch of reasons that, you know, sitting on this chart here telling me that we could see this thing push back up into these levels. That's what I'm seeing. More downside, possibly. It could, you know, wiggle its way down, but, well, you know, we could see it dip down below here before it does push up. But definitely, I think there's room for this to retrace with a vengeance. So I'm just cautious at the moment with this price action that I'm seeing. On the 4-hour chart, if we have a look at that, you know, there's going to be traders out there telling you that, well, I mean, it's bearish, very bearish. You know, we've got this descending triangle, okay, lower highs. We've got this flat kind of base, and it's ready to roll over and trade south. I mean, it could, absolutely it could. I just don't trust the fact that we've got this zone under here that it's tapping into, and it could possibly be building longs to trade back up, looking to rebalance through these levels here. So, you know, and then there's an argument either way, really, when you look at it. Yep, okay, descending triangle, it's weak, it's bearish pressure, blah 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 blah. You know, it rolls over, possibly, but I'm a little bit uncomfortable with what I'm seeing. It's just range bound, and it could head in either direction. So I guess for me to get involved, I'd want to see, what are we, 4-hour chart? Well, I mean, at least a break of that. So it'd have to be either a break and retest of the low, and then I'd want to see some sort of a sign of continuation, a trend starting to form on the lower time frame. And then the other thing would be, you know, a break and retest, well, of this diagonal, but more importantly, I think this green candle, that if we see it, well, yeah, we see a break above that, and then, you know, a trend forming, higher highs, higher lows, then that could be a thing as well. Guys, it's the best I can do with this at the moment. I think there's a strong argument either way. Yeah, I probably wouldn't be getting involved with this tonight. End of the week. Watch out for Friday and Monday manipulation. Smart money is going to be hunting stops in a big way. You know, they need that. I mean, if they want to tank this, there's a good reason for them then to push it back up into here and then drop it down. That's what I'm thinking. So that's my take on the US 100. Be careful out there, guys. It's a bit of a minefield at the moment. With that, hope you have a great day. Oh, by the way, join my Discord group. The link is below. Have a look at my videos on building a Forex or a prop firm account. Love to see you in Discord. It's free to join. So do click that and jump on board. Okay, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.